What's going on, guys? It's Eddie at the Group B with another feature video. This one being our latest arrival. This is a 1999 E36 M3. This is the final year of the E36 M3. This one's finished in Dakar Yellow with black luxe interior. It only has 62,000 original miles. Super clean. This is actually Dakar Yellow too. Dakar Yellow was in the earlier models. But yes, the car is very, very clean. It's really nice on the Style 24 wheels. It's got 5 of these wheels, including a full spare. Comes with this Dakar Yellow OEM hardtop. This is a hardtop that was always with the car. It was ordered when it was new, so the yellow paint matches very well, which is extremely rare. Usually the paint doesn't match at all. It does have a super sprint exhaust setup. Again, it is a 5-speed manual, S52. Has a carbon dining intake. It is slightly lowered for that Euro look. And it's super, super minty. It's got a black top. It's the original top. It looks like new. Original headlights. All the VIN stickers everywhere. Interior is super clean. Door cards are solid. Again, VIN stickers everywhere. Turn it on, turn the AC on. That's the AC. Again, you have 62,000 miles. All books and manuals. Comes with about 5 keys. Look how nice the headliner is on this hardtop. Super clean. Shift knob is the original one. Does have some wear. All the buttons are in super nice shape. Everything works. No check engine light. No warnings. It is a Harman Kardon sound setup with the original cassette player. All right, go for a drive. All right, we're doing the driving portion of the video here on the 99 E36 M3. Car drives very nicely. Could be daily driven with no problem. Clutch is soft. Engagement is very crisp. It's a really, really hot day in Miami. It's 95 degrees. Notice there's no pixelation in any of the instruments. The stock radio still works perfectly. It is a Harman Kardon setup. Car comes with like 5 keys, books, manuals, tons of service history, clean Carfax, clean title. Top works perfectly. Sounds really nice with the super sprint exhaust. It also has a carbon air intake, cold air intake. Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and get out to the part of the video where we're doing a wide open throttle pull. Good thing about the exhaust is that it sounds very nice, but it doesn't drone. So in the cabin, it's nice and quiet. We're gonna go ahead and get on the highway now. We'll do a wide open throttle pull, turn off the air so it gets all the sound in here. All right, this is second gear. I was about top of 4th gear, going 90 miles an hour, cruises down the road. On 5th gear, the air back on. No wind noise.